Have you ever thought about getting paid just for watching YouTube videos? Well, today I am going to reveal to you an amazing opportunity that could earn you $600 a day or more just by watching videos on YouTube. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can make money online by simply watching YouTube videos. Hey there, my name is Millionaire Advice, and welcome back to my channel where I provide you with the latest and greatest ways to make money online. In this video, I am going to share with you an incredible opportunity that can help you earn a full-time income just by watching YouTube videos. The opportunity that I am talking about is called Paid to YouTube. It's a platform that pays you to watch and like YouTube videos. The best part is that it's absolutely free to join and use. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on Paid to YouTube. Step 2. Start watching and liking videos. Step 3. Get paid for every video that you watch and like. The amount that you earn per video depends on the length of the video. For example, you can earn 2 cents for watching a 30-second video and 10 cents for watching a 5-minute video. You can even earn extra money by leaving comments on the videos. The payment threshold is only $10, which means you can easily cash out your earnings via PayPal. And the best part is that there's no limit to how much you can earn. So there you have it, an easy and fun way to earn money online just by watching YouTube videos. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.